Good morning and welcome to Story Time. I'm Miss Sharon. Miss Chris wasn't able to be here today, so I'm taking over. So bear with me if I mess up because I'm not Miss Chris. So our first song we're going to sing is Clap and Sing Hello. Are you ready? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With all our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With all our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With all our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do open and shut them. Ready? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give them a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Uh-oh. Creep them, creep them. Creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not look them in. That was a new one for me, so I hope I did a good job. Okay, our first book is The Busy Little Squirrel. It's by Nancy Tafuri and written with the permission of Simon & Schuster Books for Young Readers. Leaves were falling. The air was getting cold. It was time for Squirrel to get ready for winter. You guys see the squirrels gathering nuts in the yard now? Squeak, squeak, said Mouse. Will you nibble a pumpkin with us? But Squirrel couldn't. He was so busy. Sweet, sweet, said Bird. Will you rest on a branch with us? But Squirrel couldn't. He was so busy. Croak, croak, said Frog. Will you hop rocks with us? But Squirrel couldn't. He was so busy. Meow, meow, said Cat. Will you lie in the sun with us? But Squirrel couldn't. He was so busy. Woof, woof, said Dog. Will you run in the field with us? But Squirrel couldn't. He was so busy. Hoo, 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 called Owl. Will you watch the moon with us? But Squirrel couldn't. He was fast asleep. Look at him, they're sleeping with all the things that he's gathered. The end. That one was a really cute one. Okay, now we're going to do a movement song called The Apple Tree. Okay, you ready? Way up high in the apple tree, one red apple smiled down at me. So I shook that tree as hard as I could, and down came the apples. Good. 2 yellow pears way up high in the tree. Okay, I'm going to mess this up big time, you guys. Smiled down at me. So I shook that tree as hard as I could, and down came a pear. Good. 3 purple plums smiled down at me. So I shook that tree as hard as I could. And down came a plum. Good. Then 4 orange peaches way up in the tree. 1 smiled down at me. So I shook that tree as hard as I could, and 1 fell down. Good. So We're going to just skip the rest of that one because I messed that one up really bad. Miss Chris would have done a way better job. So now we're going to read Fall Ball. Ooh, what do you guys think this one's going to be about? This is by Peter McCartney and published by Henry Holt and Company. In the fall, leaves whirl past the windows of the big yellow bus. The children are happy to be going home from school. They have waited all day for their chance to play. Along country lanes past one fat cow, the school bus rattles along. The bus sails over a hill. Whoa! The children feel like they are floating in the air. Oh my goodness, look at them on that bus. The school bus stops. Everybody out, says the driver. Careful now. Hooray, shout the children. They are home at last. Okay, football in the park in 10 minutes, Bobby says. Hi, Mom, I'm home, Bobby shouts. I'm going to the park now, but I'll be back when it's dark. Everybody ready? Says Bobby. Let's play ball. Bobby goes back to pass. The ball flies through the air, but Sparky runs away with the ball. Hey, Sparky! Come back! Oh, look at that big pile of leaves. Crash! Right into the pile of leaves. Jimmy, Brian, Ethan, Jason, Katie, Vincent, Bobby, Suki, Martin. Time to come home. Oh, all their moms are calling them home. Time to go home. Oh, already? But it's only 4:30. But back in the house, there are good things to eat. There are cozy pajamas and warm blankets. And best of all, more football. So all you boys that are loving that football, they probably love this. That was another cute one. Okay, now for our literacy tip. Fall is a great time to review colors and numbers. While you are walking through your neighborhood, you can look for 3 yellow leaves, or 1 brown squirrel, or 6 gray rocks. So that's what you can do on your next walk outside. Okay, now we're going to do our flannel board. 5 little squirrels. Okay. 5 little squirrels with acorns to store. See, they all have their acorns. 1 went to sleep. Oh, and then there were 4. 4 little squirrels hunting acorns in a tree. 1 fell down. Oh no. And then there were 3. 3 little squirrels wondering what to do. 1 got lost. And then there were 2. 2 little squirrels tossing acorns for fun. 1 got tired. And now there is 1. 1 little squirrel playing in the sun. He ran away, and now there are none. That was a cute one. Now, this week's craft is a little hedgehog that you can come and make. The kit comes with all of the self-stick stickers that you need, and a magnet, which will be in your bag, and instructions on how to put it together. You just peel the stickers and put it on. You can pick that up in the children's department or up at the through the drive-through window. And now we've got one more book to read, Full of Fall. It's written by April Pulley Sayre and published by Beach Lane Books. September sun is low in the sky. So long, summer. Green, goodbye. One leaf, another leaf, colors surge. Meet the trees, their shapes emerge. You can go look through at all the pretty leaves. Hello, yellow. Greetings, gold. Oh, it's orange. Red, the bold. Leaves frame trunks, light and dark. Ripples, reflections, berries, bark. Limbs and layers, leafy lanes. Margins, midribs, sunlit veins. But soon, trees are ready, twigs let go, leaves slip and spin. Wind sweeps, leaves blow. They drift and dry, their edges curl. They float and sink, they snag and swirl. So many leaves the forest glows. Leaves fade and brown and decompose. Fall is ending. Goodbye, leaf show. Winter is coming. Oh, hello, snow. The end. I love to go out and look at the trees, just to look at the landscapes and stuff. And I hope you guys are helping Mom and Dad clean up the leaves in the yard. That was one of the things that I always did and jumped in the leaves when I was a kid. So let's sing our closing song. We wave goodbye like this. We ready? We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Hope you guys come back next week, and Miss Haley will be here with our bilingual story time. So we'll see you next week, and happy Halloween.